How to create a post and insert pictures into your posts. I've installed some plugins on this blog that makes it real easy to install to add some pictures to each post, and this is how you do it. We come into our dashboard here, and under posts we're going to say add new. We're going to title our post. We're then going to add some body to our post here. So now I got some text typed into the body here of the post. So now I've got my title, I've got my text, and now I want to upload some images. So I'm going to click here where I want a picture, and I'm going to come up here to upload insert. Click on the add an image button. That's going to bring open a new window. And from there I'm going to leave this on from computer, and I'm going to select files. I'm going to then browse to where I have some files here. And I'm going to select a picture here to upload. So I'm just going to select one and upload it. So you'll see that the pictures came up. It's uploaded. I can title it. Yeah, I can put a caption, a description if I want. If nothing's filled in the link URL box, you need to click on File URL. What that's going to do is that's going to link the thumbnail image to the bigger picture and allow the picture to zoom. So I like to leave it on thumbnail. You can choose a bigger size if you want. I'm going to make sure that's checked, say use Viva zoom effect, and I'm going to say insert into post. So there's my picture, and with the text wrapped around it because I chose the left alignment. Now I can come down here and I can add a different picture. I just click where I want the picture in my text, click on add an image, select files again, and I can select a different file. It's automatically sizing the picture for me. We come down and we title the picture. I'm going to leave the caption and the description blank for this example. WordPress will remember what you did last and fill this in for you. If it's not there, just click File URL. Click the alignment you want. Let's align this one on the right just to show you, and then we click Insert into Post. And there's our picture inserted where we wanted it. You can also take the picture if I didn't want it there, and I can just drag it to where I did want it. If I want to change the position of the picture. Then one more thing, I'm going to click on the picture. If I wanted to delete the picture from the post, I'd click here, but I'm going to click on this little picture image. It's going to take me into the settings of that picture. So here's the settings. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Advanced Settings, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put a border around the picture of just 1 and vertical and horizontal space of 5. And then I'm going to say update, and that's just going to put a border around my picture, make it look a little nicer, and also create a little bit of space between the picture and the text. So let's do the same thing to this picture. We update. Here's our page. Then let's come over here and let's preview our post. Here's our post in the preview screen. See that it's created the pictures in the carousel. Oops, it took me off to a different spot here. Here we are back at our post. You can see here's our post that we've typed. Ooh, I'm going to have to get that out of there. This junk right here that's in the top of this post is from Word. I posted into Word, and you got to make sure when you post from Word that you're careful about how you clean it up good, because Word puts some extra code in there. But you can see here, you can click on the pictures and they'll zoom out. And then it's also created the carousel for us based on the pictures that we uploaded with that post. So the carousel is automatically done for you. So let's go back into our post here. Let's go clean up some of that code. You won't have to worry about doing this if you just type it right in the box, or if I would have used the paste from Word right here. If I would have pulled that open and then pasted, it would have stripped that code, but I didn't. I pasted right into here. I kind of showed you what not to do. And that's why. So I just took out all that code, and I'm going to come over here and go preview just to make sure it's right before we publish. Okay, before we publish, I want to show you one more thing. I'm going to upload some more pictures into this post by clicking on the Add an Image. And then I'm going to select Files from my computer. It's going to open the last folder I was in. And I'm just going to hold the Control key down here and select a bunch of pictures. And click Open. And that's going to upload all my pictures. Now these pictures are going to be uploaded to that post, so they'll show in the little carousel of pictures above the post, but I'm not going to insert them into the text. So I've showed you how to insert a couple pictures into the text, and they're also in the carousel, and these are just going to be in the picture carousel and not in the text. As soon as the pictures are uploaded just to there, I don't even have to click Save All Changes. All I do is just close out. And then we'll go here to preview, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, here we are previewing the post, and you can see my two pictures are still in the text. All the rest of the pictures are in the carousel at the top of the post, and I can click on them to zoom them out to view them larger. But these pictures, every picture that you upload with an individual post will be placed in the carousel automatically. And then they'll also be, the first picture that you uploaded will also be put on the home page carousel in the pictures on the home page. So here we are back at the blog because we were just previewing it. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to find a category to post in, check a category that I want that in, and I'm going to publish it. And that's going to actually publish it live to the site. When it's done publishing, you'll see Post Published, View Post right here. We can click here and it'll take us to the post, and we can see how it looks on the site. And here's our post. So just like that, follow those steps. Here we go to the home page, and I'll show you how it took the first picture that we uploaded to the post and put it on the home page. So when people come to the home page and they see these pictures, they click on that picture, and it takes them into that individual post. Once they're in that post, they can see the rest of the pictures with that post, and they can zoom the pictures out and see them bigger. So that's how you add pictures to your post. Really simple with the plugins that we've installed.